Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about some major moratoriums that are starting to hit different parts of the country as this tropical storm works its way from the Bahamas up what looks to be like the eastern seaboard. You're going to start to see a lot of moratoriums that have already hit Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and even large parts of Virginia. Because even though this is a tropical storm, and it may become a hurricane when it hits the U.S. coast, and it may not, one of the major threats from hurricanes or tropical systems is rainfall. So this is still really a really dangerous storm when it comes to rainfall. And so it's one of the reasons why these moratoriums hit. So what does this moratorium mean? What this means is you would not be able to get a new flood policy during this time. Maybe you let your policy lapse and you want to get it reinstated. You may not be able to get it reinstated during this time. So these are things you want to be prepared for, especially if you have a closing coming up in the next 7 days. This could have a major impact. We just talked to a customer on the Georgia coast this morning that's supposed to close next week on a property that very well may not be able to because of these moratoriums. Now remember, in most situations, FEMA doesn't have these moratoriums. These are with private flood insurance carriers. So if you're doing a national flood insurance program policy, you may not have a lot of these problems. So if you've got questions about these moratoriums from the tropical storm that's coming up the eastern seaboard during the first week of August 2020, visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.